Hello everyone. Today we're doing TryHackMe's billing, capture the flag. Just copy the IP. It says gain a shell, find a way to escalate your privileges. Brute forcing is out of scope for this room, so we'll just set the IP. And we'll start a Nmap scan. This Nmap scan is just doing no DNS, reverse or forwards. It's skipping host discovery and just doing 22 to 6,000. So if we go to the web page, you get redirected to Billing. So let's start a Feroxbuster on that directory. Up here we get Magnus Billing, and then it says robots disallowed entry in billing. So it's a good thing we did the directory here. So here we get README. Let's copy the README, and we'll just do a curl command. We don't need this going anymore. It's going to go crazy. Here we get Magnus Billing 7. Let's copy this. Come on now. And we'll do Searchsploit. And you get one text file, so let's grab that. And we get a proof of concept URL for command injection. So that's pretty much what we're looking for since we're trying to get a shell. So let's copy this. It says replace your domain name. So we'll go up here and we'll do a curl command. So the I flag, S flag, that's all we need. One quote, paste it. We can get rid of the test file part. We don't need that. You just need to put whatever command you want right there. So we'll set that LS to right here or whatever you want. We need the IP address. And we need to put the in-billing directory there. And then your end quote. Let's copy this and then we'll just curl that. So it is giving us an okay, so it is transferring, but it's not, or it's successful, but it's not printing us anything out. So let's go to revshells.com and make FIFO get a shell, reverse shell from here. And then we'll get rid of the LS. And we'll just put on this side the script, put a semicolon at the end of it. And then after the PHP, the question mark, put another quote, single quote, and then space, dash, dash, get, dash, dash, data, dash, URL in code, and then space, another quote, and then copy this and set up a netcat listener. And then we'll post a curl command down here. And you get your reverse shell. So we'll stabilize it real quick by doing shell equals bin bash, not bash, bash script q for quiet, dev null, and then we'll background it stty raw echo foreground, and then we'll do export term equals xterm. So down here you can actually kill this. We don't need that going anymore. And then we're going to do stty size to see the terminal size, because both my panes are the same, and if I don't change it up here on this one, it's going to glitch out and want to do wraparounds. So we'll just do stty rows 27 columns. See how it's wrapping around right there? 194, enter. And now we can do stuff that we don't need to mess around with like that. So we'll change directory into the home and then ls. So we get Magnus user. So we'll ls Magnus. And there's user text. So we'll cat Magnus user text. We get the user flag. Root flags next. So we just do sudo l. We can do failed to ban client. So let's copy this. And we'll come up here and we'll do sudo, and we'll paste that. And we'll do status to see what the statuses of and the jails are. So we get all these jails. So if we do cat etsy fail to ban jail local, you can see all the different jails and what if they're enabled and what they're doing. So we'll just use the asterisk IP table. So let's copy this. And for here, we'll change this to get, and then we'll post our table's name, and then we'll do actions to see what the actions are. IP tables are all ports asterisks. So we'll copy this. So we'll just take the action, take the S off, and then we'll put the IP tables asterisks, and then we'll do action ban. and see what the auto ban is or the actions ban is. Oh, that's not. Why didn't I copy? So IP table. So we can rewrite that. So what we'll do is we'll just change the get to set, and then we'll down here we'll do space single quote chmod plus s on bin bash end quote, and then we'll copy that. So now if we just do get actions auto ban again, it says chmod plus s bin bash. So now if we just do ls on bin bash, it does not have any SID bid, SUID bid. So now we need to ban an IP address. So we'll copy this part. Well, this part actually. Copy that. Paste that, and then we'll do ban IP, and then whatever non-important IP you want to put. So now we'll just run that. And now we'll do ls on bin bash again. And it's got the SUID bid, so we'll just do bash p. That's not where am I? Root cat root dot txt, and we get the root flag. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or anything, hit me up. Peace.